Hello everyone. Now in the previous video we had seen this, we had seen the sleep method and the thread sleeps for a certain amount of time and then basically main thread waits for the other threads and it keeps sleeping. Okay. So the problem with this is, as you might have seen in the previous video, or we can see this again over here. See, the main thread is waiting unnecessarily. The other threads have already done their execution, finished their execution, but main thread is still waiting because its 10 seconds are not up, right? There might be a converse situation. Conversely, what if the main thread waits for 10 seconds, but its child threads take more than 10 seconds to finish their execution? So, this time period that we are deciding over here, 10 seconds, is quite random, and it's very difficult to decide exactly how much time will it take for the child threads to finish their execution. Either it can be less or it can be more. So, so this is not a very graceful way to wait for the execution to finish. So there is another way. Okay, so I will now save this as just waiting instead of timed waiting. Okay, now what we are doing here is, instead of using the sleep method, what I will say is, let T1 complete its execution and join main. So wait for T1 to join us. Let's wait for T2 to join us. And let's wait for T3 to join us. So T1, T2, and T3, once they finish their work, once they finish their execution, they will join me. That is main thread. And once that is done, then the main thread will execute its last statement. Main thread will wait for T1, T2, T3 to join it when they finish their execution. Okay, so now let's see the effect. As you can see, main thread waits exactly for the time that it takes for the child thread to finish execution. There is no extra wait, there is no less wait. So the waiting is exactly perfect. Okay. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, any doubts, post them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.